What is up, guys? Brand new video here, and we have some slight changes we're going to do to the new Marketplace Runner. We'll start with, it's a 3-letter suspension company. You got that wrong. It's DJM, and she is going to sit a slight bit lower, but not like the other Ranger. We are not doing a 4.5 drop. That is a little too low. And these things look kind of weird on a 4.5 drop, in my opinion. That is my opinion only. You guys probably think I'm crazy for that, but in my opinion, 4.5 drop is too low for an extended cab. So, it's better than a 4.5 drop in my opinion. 2.3 drop. That's what we're gonna do on this thing. 2.3 drop, and we got some wheels for. And you guys already know my favorite wheel. You guessed that wrong too. 0304 Cobra wheel. And these are slightly not the best. They got some stuff peeling on them. Definitely need some love. But the plan is, take these wheels and sand the backs down, paint them all black, leave the fronts chrome. They're all 17x9s, which is totally fine with me. We won't rub. Best part about these is they're true OEM Ford wheels. That is right. True OEM Ford stamped 0304 Cobra wheels. And to top that off, OEM center caps as well. Couldn't beat it. Got them very cheap. I'm not going to list the price on here because who I bought them from is going to be very angry when he finds out what I did. So, anyways, it is time to drop the truck. Hopefully this doesn't take me months like it did the first round, but let's get this thing going. It's going to take me a while to get wheels and tires for these wheels because I got to buy side-by-side parts and I got to buy stuff for my Cummins. So, bear with me, but we will get this done. And we need to get this done now. So, we're going to the montage. So, let's get this baby installed. Putting a pause in the video. That was absolutely ridiculous trying to get that stuff out. I had to freaking torch it out, beat it out with a freaking 3-pound sledge, and it barely came out. It took me way too long last night to get that. So we ruined the freaking bushing, we ruined the freaking bolt, and we got a solution. Boom. Thank you, Ace Hardware, for the old, these are supposed to be 8.8. I mean, at this point, I got full coverage. I don't even care anymore. Are these grade 8s? I don't even know. Got hooked up with some Energy freaking suspension poly bushings and hopefully grade 8 bolts. I guess we'll see when we're hauling a trailer going 90 miles an hour down the highway. Back to the montage. All right. Been wondering what I've been doing out here? All this ruckus? Mm-hmm. Come here. Come here and hold my phone for a second. Hold it right here.
Oh my god, you're dirty.
It's curb feeler. 2025 curb feeler. feeler.
I don't even know what that means.
Like you can feel the curb whenever you're backing up. It's like a backup sensors, but for 2002.
Isn't your camera flipped upside down?
Yeah, I gotta fix that too, I guess. It's just a work in progress, right?
Oh.
It's a work in progress too, I guess.
Even my Focus doesn't like it.
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Now my dad's really gonna make fun of you because it's squatted.
That's all I gotta say to him. Right here, Lance. Whew. Time for the front.
I kind of like it.
I actually kind of... I'm not saying anything because I'll get canceled. To the front. And just like that, the truck is no longer squatted and is sitting perfectly level. And when I mean perfectly level, I mean it literally sits 15 3/4 from the center of the wheel to the bottom of the fender all the way around, which is pretty freaking wild that it is dead nuts perfect all the way around. Thing looks beautiful. DJM 2.3 drop did not disappoint one bit. The truck, and I wish I could back up further, but the truck, that thing looks mint. I love it. I love how it sits. It's not too low. It's not too tall. I can still haul a trailer with it. I hauled a load of scrap to the scrapyard the other day, and she does freaking beautiful, which I did not put the DJM rear shocks in. I left the mono air shocks just for that reason. I don't want to bump off the bump stops. She is sitting perfect. I mean, wheels turned out perfect. I have barely any money into them. Painting the backs black was definitely a great idea. It got rid of all that flaky crap you guys saw in the video. The whole point of this truck was to be a cheap marketplace truck to use for marketplace, if that makes sense. I think all said and done, we have, including the lowering kit now, I think $4 grand in the entire truck, and that is everything. That is the whole swap, the 08 swap, which I freaking hit my wall the other day. What an idiot. I don't curb wheels, I curb front bumpers. The next Ranger video is gonna be something a little different. We got an 8.8 rear end sitting here.
Got the single cab that is being super sluggish now, so the engine is probably losing a lot of compression. I mean, it got used and abused a lot the last year and a half. So I think it's time for an engine upgrade on that thing. My first engine swap, don't count the Cummins because that was just a freaking replacement. And we're not doing anything crazy, just a simple, I will at least give you a hint, it's gonna be a V8, be a simple V8 swap. And then eventually, maybe we'll do something way more crazy, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yes, enjoy these highway rollers of old Extendo cab. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.